The sounds of the city, memory lane. Kapow! Brunette teens overhappy in the back. Wingardium Levi what now? Boom clap the sound of my heart. Buttercream and Sun Tan Lotion. Cartilage steak and slightly burned fries. Weooo, weooo, weooo. Yell, yell. Uptite elders unwilling to learn. Speeding boxes past the view. A blur past the window sprayed with bird poop. Another turkey on the road. Over Modernization and Colonial fucked shit. Entrapping the new media engulfed mind. Trash in the woods, making out with the ground. A year, a month, a week, a day, a second, a squirrel. Hectic hobos begging for change. The rustle of Arboles giving them shelter from the cold. Siren songs exploiting nature's fresh sound like the butcher cuts through the pig. Stoners who claim to know it all. What about us? Pollution is not the solution. Kapow.